Hello, fourth grade. Today is our first day of writing poetry, and I'm super excited. I hope you are as well. And we're going to be starting with a pretty basic poem, which is a quatrain. I know it sounds difficult, but it's a poem that you're often really used to, and it only has 4 lines. A quatrain is a 4-line rhyming poem that can be written in the following rhyme schemes: AABB, ABAB, ABCB. Now it sounds like I'm speaking gibberish, but I will explain what those mean and how to write with different rhyme schemes in this video. So here's an example of the first pattern, which is AABB. Sitting at the table, reading a funny fable, giggling over a crazy hair, I fell off my chair. As you can see, what these letters mean are that this word, the last word on the first line, rhymes with the last word on the second line. The last word on the third line rhymes with the last word on the fourth line. So really, you just have to come up with 4 rhyming words and end each line with one of those rhyming words. You do not want all the last words of the line to rhyme. That is not a quatrain. You have to follow one of these patterns. So this is the AABB pattern, where the first 2 lines rhyme and the last 2 lines rhyme. Notice how it can be a silly poem. This poem wasn't about anything especially deep. The mood of this poem was more fun and funny. That was the tone the author wrote this in. Here's the next pattern of quatrain. This rhyming pattern is the ABAB, so every other line rhymes. The monkey was doing kung fu. He was moving left and right. He knew just what to do, although he looked silly in the fight. So as you can see, the first line and the third line rhyme, and the second line and the fourth line rhyme. It's just the last word that rhymes. Now this is another silly fun poem about a monkey. The rhyming pattern is ABAB. Now the last rhyming pattern for a quatrain has only 2 lines that rhyme. That's that B line. So only the second and the fourth or last line rhyme. So this poem says, when I came upon a snake, I didn't know what to do. I stood scared and frozen. He was frightened too. So as you can see, nothing rhymes with the first line, the last word on the first line, and nothing rhymes with the last word on the third line. The only words that rhyme are do and to. This is the ABCB pattern, where it only has 2 lines rhyming. Remember, a quatrain is a 4-line poem. It has there's a prefix or a root word, quad, which means 4. A quatrain has 4 lines only. No more, no less. So in your poem today, you're writing 4 lines, which is just 1 stanza in your quatrain. So since this is your first day writing poetry, I want to help you brainstorm what you're going to write about. So if you want to get a piece of paper and a pencil, you can start jotting down or brainstorming ideas of what you want to write your quatrain about. You only have to write 1 poem this morning. I gave you an example called Baseball Game in the top left-hand corner. It says, I was so small, but got a treat. I caught a ball in my seat. Does anyone know what spelling pattern this quatrain has? If you said ABAB, you are correct. Small and ball rhyme, treat and seat rhyme. This was a poem written by a 4th grader, and it's a great start. It's to the point, I know exactly what they're talking about, and it's sharing a happy memory. Some ideas that you can write about are your favorites. So what I mean by that is, what's your favorite sport? What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite game? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite thing to do? What's your favorite place to go to? Any of those, any of your favorites would be a great topic to write about, and it would let me know more about you. You could be creative and use alliteration. That is where you use the same consonant for the first letter of every word, like Ashley Austin ate an apple. That is alliteration. So kind of a fun poetry element that you can include in your quatrain. You could write in the point of view of an animal. What do you think your dog thinks about you all day? Or your cat? Or the bird outside? Or a lion in the jungle? or the desert. I don't think lions live in the jungle. So you can write a poem in the perspective of an animal. That would be fun. Maybe you want to write a poem to someone you love or miss. A thoughtful poem that has a mood to show love or caring or grief even, missing someone. And finally, you could write about a happy memory in poem form. Remember, this is a quatrain though, so only 4 lines. You have to pick a spelling pattern. On your seesaw activity, I remind you of those spelling patterns. Try your best, have fun. What's really great about poetry is there's not exactly a right or wrong answer. It's your creative freedom as long as you follow the expectations of the given poem type. So have fun. I can't wait to read them. Thanks, 4th grade.